In the last session, we just discussed about the new version of telephone number, that means key IP address. Before starting IP address, just three, 4 point we discussed. Uh, First point discussed ki earlier before 2005, only this is known as the IP address only. After 2005, required new types of IP address because old IP address only 32 bits and maximum possibility is the 2 key power 32 and not possible to each and every devices upcoming in time given to the IP address. So keeping in this mind, uh, we just required new types of IP address, and this is the new IP address is a 128 bits. And this IP address training and development by the India and China, and in the center of excellence is also LTTC Ghaziabad. Some researchers selected from the IIT Kanpur, and around 400 crore rupees live lab is available at LTTC Ghaziabad. In this regard, work is under progress. Hopefully, till up to 2025, the new IP address, that means IPv6, completely implemented in India, in the world, and also in the world. So last time lesson discussed, because till time our internet service given the old telephony old IP address, this is IPv4 and IPv4, and currently all internet service dependent on this IPv4. This is the 32 bits, and this 32 bit for the easy remember, easy use by the user, divided in the four separate group already discussed. This is the group of 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits. Okay, this is 8 bits separately. Just we check if every group. So the starting bit, all bits are 0, and we go for the one by one, one. So finally, in the last, all bits are 1. So this is actual binary. So reality is that in the system there will be binary, but one human just remember this in decimal format. So this decimal format, any block will be started by the 0, 0 dot 0, and this not read by the point, this read by the dot, dot dot. Okay. So this is a starting by the 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 until up to maximum possible value of every block is the 255, 255, 255, 255. So any IP address will be belonging between in these four group, and lie between every block devices. Minimum value is the 0, maximum possible value is the 255. So in this regard, we some question also discussed in the last session. Just help of the PPT and revise and go ahead for the remaining part. Okay. This is already discussed. Telephone number. Just the first is the network ID, and this last is the broadcast ID. Hopefully, you are very well known about this now scenario. And telephone number you allotted 000 not given, 999 non given. So in the allotted number customer in the case of the telephone number 12998, and total number of possible customer is the 1000 minus 2, that is the 998. And this is the first telephone number is network ID in the case of the IP address. In the old telephone system, it is known as the exchange ID. We discussed about the network ID in the new scenario, and the last telephone number 999. This is a broadcast ID. In case of the same, now just any IP address, when we go to the market purchasing any IP address, definitely upcoming time in future, every user, every customer purchase the IP address like telephone number. Till time you and I are lucky because you are very well known what is the telephone number, what is the IP address. Okay, but upcoming future, your upcoming juniors, they not aware about what is the telephone number. So in this case, but any we are know ki what is the IP address. So if you are go to the market, upcoming time nobody purchase the telephone number. Upcoming time every your junior, either my colleague, and upcoming time we just purchase the IP address. So if you are going in the market purchasing any IP address, so this IP address is just example 100.117.239/24. So when purchase, definitely IP address given in the complete format. Otherwise you are not. This is a complete format. This is must ensure this is given to you. Otherwise information is half information and you are not able to say anything. So now what is the meaning of this /24? Meaning of /24 means key, that is the fixed part, that is the binary part. Okay, I repeat again here today, already study discussed. This is another name of this fixed part is the known as the hot path. And remaining total, this is a 32 bit minus 8, this 24, that means ki 8 bit. 8 bit is the customer bit, and it is also known as the in the new scenario host bit. Okay, so this is the basically serial number of the customer 0010010 in the binary case of the binary. Okay, so now just solution of this question. Every block just separate here 8, 2, 3, 9, 12, 196. Each and every block 8 bit. And this /24 means from left hand side up to right hand side, this is up to 24 bit. So this is the also known as the network bit, and it is the fixed bit. Okay, remaining part are the variable part. This is the host bit. So when we going for the first bit, first network ID, it is the first IP address. So definitely fixed part don't disturb, and all remaining part, all bits are 0. So that is the, this is the network ID, and this is the some broadcast ID, all bits are 1. So already discussed about in this section yesterday. So hopefully there is no any doubt about this question. So if you any doubt, so please ask, other we go ahead further. Okay, are you okay? No problem, na? Up to till time?
No, sir.
Okay, now suppose there is one question is given, any IP address. One question just like already given in the on your screen 10.10.10.64/24. Nana, if I just put in place of 24, 25, if I put here /24, in this case, what is the network ID? Please repeat again here today. You just forget this is not 25. Just you think this is /25, 10.10.10.64/25. In this case, what is the network ID? Please.
1 minute, sir.
You can write in chat box, no problem. It is easy for you.
Net.
24, that means from left hand side to right hand side, 24 bits are fixed. So first 10 is fixed because 8 blocks. Next 10 is also fixed, again a fixed part, and next 10 is also fixed. And remaining all 8 bits are the 0 starting for. So what is the network ID? Yes.
Not 60.
This is 24, na? So this is
Yes, sir.
a fixed 8 bit, heavy fixed 8 bit, and this is also fixed 8 bit. Okay, so from left hand side to right hand side, 24 bit are the fixed. So this fixed part is just without any change, you can directly write here 10.10.10. Now remaining 8 bit, this block, this block is the completely, doesn't matter what is value of here, but all starting bits are 0, all 8 bits are 0. So what is the value of in decimal form /0? This is 24. So this is the network ID. So now you can say what is the broadcast ID? 10.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
10.10.
Yeah. All bits are 1. What is the value of this last section?
2 to
2555.
5. 2
Always
to 5.
keep in the
Sir,
mind, if all bits are 1, their value is the 255. All bits are 0, that is 0 to 255. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now what is the IP range? IP range from 0 not given to 55 not given. That means ki 10.10.10. First IP is the 1.
0, 0, 1. Yes, sir.
Now G10.10.254. Okay. Now next question is the what is the host ID? Sorry, number of hosts. Okay. So here you can see 1 to 254, very easy. But you are engineer to definitely how to calculate remaining bit 2 की power 32 bit is the total bit and fixed bit is the 24. This power minus 2. Why minus 2? First bit 0 and 255 not given. So this is the value is the 2 की power 8 minus 2. That means the total value possible for 8 bits are binary 256 minus 2 because first and last not given. In this case, this is the number of IP is the 254. Okay. Are you getting this point now complete?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now this is the last subnet mask. ठीक है ना? Is the last portion of IP address. What is the subnet mask? So I asked to you question.
62.
No, just again I asked to question you in this question how to know how many bits are fixed. How to know?
Don't know, sir.
10.10.10.64/25. In this case, how to know number of bits are the fixed bit?
How to know? We should calculate, sir. Address.
नहीं again just 1 minute. I just before starting, so this portion na by this portion you can know na ki how many bits are the fixed.
How many bits are fixed?
Fixed bit. Because this information, this is 25. What is the meaning of /25?
What is the meaning of?
Slash again just 1 minute. Just
Sir,
come
network.
back. Come back the last one. Again here देखो. Any IP address again. This is the last section. Last point you must getting.
Okay,
This
sir.
is IP address /24. So here I explain what is the meaning of /24.
Network bits, sir.
Network bit. This meaning is the fixed part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is also this is basically fixed part. Fixed part is known. You can say this part, this 24 bit is the fixed bit, and this is known as network bit. You are well aware what is the network bit. This network bit is the fixed bit. Okay. So how do you know in this IP address? In this IP address, how many bits are fixed?
How many bits are fixed?
Yes, tell me. 25, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is very simple, na? We for human understanding, we just go to the checkout / and their digit. /25 meaning is very simple. From left hand side to right hand side, 20 bits are the fixed. So if I asking to you how many bits are the fixed, so you can say this is a 25. If I ask how to know the fixed bit, so you can say from this information we can realize how many bits are fixed. Not calculation, not need. It just any IP. Suppose I write here some 192.168.5.4/24. If again I ask to you in this IP address 192.168.5.4/24, how many bits are the fixed bit? Please give the answer. In IP address
24, sir.
very nice, very simple. 24. Okay, and this 24 bit fixed bit is also known as network bit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so we and you are human, and wow, our understanding decimal number, because on the screen everything right in the decimal number format. Easy to learn. easy to understand. Just read out and find out ki how many bits are the fixed bit. But actually IP address is allotted to the smart devices like computer, like any tablet, laptop, mobile phone, that devices connected to internet, IP address will be allotted there. So that means the IP address is the binary form. So definitely in my computer, there is one mechanism required. How many bits are the fixed bit? In for human understanding, we can write 192.168.5.4/24, either 10.10.10.64 /25. So easy to understand how many bits are the fixed bit. Yeah, you can say how many are network bit, 25, and no problem. But how to my computer, how to my smart devices know ki how many number of bits are the fixed bit. So for sort out this issue, we just take mask. Mask is nothing. Mask is just like symbol. Mask is a symbol, and help of the mask you can say कि computer any in a smart device easy to understand number of bits are the fixed bit. Okay, so again I repeat here, then you can more. This is the my real computer. This symbol you can see my mouse. This symbol is showing internet of my this real computer. Just I click right and go to the open network sharing center. And in this case, change adapter setting. And this is the our computer symbol. And go to the properties. Yes. And here just one pop-up screen open. Here you can say Internet Protocol IPv4 and just click on properties. In this case, this is a real structure of my computer. So you can say the first line here, right? What is the IP address of my computer? This is the IP address of my computer. Then the second line, if I here put /24 /16 /8 25, so my computer not understand what is meaning of the /24, what is the meaning of the /16. So computer how to sort out this issue? So just be next line again use. This is the subnet mask. Basically mask and subnet mask both are the same. Keep in this time. Mask and subnet mask both are the same. Okay, so what is the computer help of the this line, he can easy to identify how many bits are the fixed in this computer. Okay, so here is write this value because sort out to this issue. Suppose I come back the question, then come back on this screen. This is the IP address 192.168.5.4. Okay, and /24. Suppose here. So first starting, that is the network ID. So you can easily identify what is the meaning of the network ID 192.168.24. Left hand side, right hand side, 24 bit are the fixed. All remaining bits are the 0, that is the 0/24. This is the network ID. Okay, and broadcast ID 192.168.4. This is a sorry 5. Ne? This is a 5, and all remaining bits are the 1. This is the value of 255/24. Okay, next is that number of IP. Yeah, IP range. You can say pool, meaning of the both is the same. 192.168.1.1 to 5.1 to 192.168.5.4 254. Okay, it is also very well known, aware now. Now the next is that number of IP 192.168.5.4 1, sorry, number of IP series, that means ki 2 की power 32 is the fixed total bit and fixed bit is the 24, and this means 8 minus first and last is not given. So solution of this is the 254. This is a general scenario to solve out. Now the subnet mask, the last is the subnet mask. Subnet mask is nothing. This is a just one mechanism. Our computer, our smart devices, they are easy to know how many bits are the fixed bit. Here, I human, you human, just see on the screen /24, easy to say, but computer can't understand what is the meaning of the /24. So here, for we just try, if 24 bits are the fixed, for sort out this issue from left hand side to right hand side, each and every block fixed bit make 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, first 8, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and all remaining bits are the 0. Total 32 bits. IP address you are well known. Every block is 8 bits. Okay. The first 8 bit is the 111 and all remaining part is the 0. Just 1 minute. For the calculation of the subnet mask is very easy. Just from left hand side to right hand side, fixed bit make 1. So definitely /24 is here. So this is the first 8 good here. The first 3 block is the fixed block. So this all bits is put 1. But as a human, I just put here decimal value of this location. This is the 255, first block 255 and 255, and last is the 0. So this is the subnet mask. So just my in computer, if I put this value in this subnet mask 255, 255, 255, suppose here 255, I put as a human here. So just putting my computer just convert this block in binary form and calculate a number of 1 from left hand side to right hand side. So he just calculate first 8, 8, 24. Suppose here, in this case, suppose here this is 0. So if I asking Nana to you in this case, in my screen, the computer, how many, what is the number of bits are the fixed bit in this case? 255.255.0.0. So in this case, how many bits are the fixed bit?
0, sir.
16.
How, sir? 16.
This is the 8 bit.
Yes, sir.
8 bit. All I already discussed from left hand side to right hand side, all make 1 because fixed bit make 1, simple manner. Okay. But as a human, we write decimal value is here. So if I ask in this case question, so you just calculate how many bits are 1. So this is the 8 bits and next is again 8 bits. So total is the 16 bit in this case. In the /4, that first 3 block. Okay. So again, I just repeat and then further go to question. It is hopefully you are easy to understand. First we go. Okay. Here just what is the subnet mask? Again, I repeat and then go. I'll solve that question. Subnet mask, what is the meaning of the subnet mask? IP address for the human understanding is notation by the dotted decimal like 192.168.1.1/24. It is very easy. Okay. Here we can easy to understand how many bits are the network bits. In case 24 bits. Again, I repeat here, sorry for interruption. Here, just I discuss about the subnet mask. So what is the meaning of the subnet mask? This is the IP address 192.168.1.1/24. So we and you are human, to easy to understand how many bits are the network bit. That means keep fixed bit. In this case, 24 bit. And number of host bit, any customer bit. Total is the 32 bit. So 24 bit is the fixed bit. So that means the 8 bit. It is easy for I and you. Okay. But a computer like other devices only understand only binary bits. Okay, so for sort out the problem for subnet, this is by the subnet mask. So in this case, you hope how to sort out computer identify in given IP address number of bits are the fixed. So simply fixed bit make one. So this is a 24 bit in this case fixed. From left hand side, this is the fixed. So this all big for this group is the 111. So all 8 bits are 1, their value is the 255. Okay. Second again here 16 255, and third is again 255, and all remaining 0. This is the okay. And these remaining bits are the 0. So just computer count, computer we just put in the our IP address decimal form. Computer convert is the binary form and calculate from left hand side to right hand side number bits are 1, and easy to understand how many bits are the fixed bit. So this is the subnet mask. So here in this case, suppose now go for the this question. Suppose this is a not exact fixed part. This is a 25. So slash 24 already yesterday and today 2 times we calculate. But if this block is not complete block, so what how to calculate network ID, broadcast ID, IP range? So just see on the screen and once again and try to the last moment understanding how to calculate. So these IP address just make a separate group 10.10.10.8. There is a 4 group, and as power as given the question 25. This is a slash 25. Okay, this is slash 25. So what is the meaning of that? So this is the fixed bit, no problem. 8 bit is the fixed. This 16, 24, definitely out of 8 bit, this is 1 bit is the fixed from the left hand side to right hand side. Okay, and in this case again now 65 you can write binary form of this 65. So binary form 8 group 0 1 0 0, 1 digit here swing in the big because this is the fixed bit. So for the network ID from 10 10 10 from this location, this is the fixed bit. So this fixed bit is not you can change, remaining all bits are the 0. So this is the network bit. So for the solution all bit this value is the 0. So in this case network ID is the 10 dot first block, second block, and third block. Last block all bits are 0, their value is the 0, and this is the network ID. Now for the broadcast ID, this is the fixed bit, don't disturb, but remaining all bits are the 1. But when give a solution, all 8 bits of solution, so their value is the 127. If you solving in the decimal form, so this is the 10.10.10.10.2 127. Now IP range from 1 to 126. 0 is not given. If you want to calculate the 2 की power 32 minus 27 and minus 2. This is the 2 की power 5 minus 2. This is the 128 minus 2. That means ki 126 is the calculation number of IP. Okay. And now the last subnet mask. So what is a subnet mask here? Again put all binary form of a decimal form and then binary form. This is the 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, no problem. And as per our discussion, left hand side to right hand side, 25 bit is the fixed bit. So that 25 bits make 1 and remaining are the 0. So this all 8 1, 16, 24, this one is the 1 and all remaining part is the 0. But when solution, this 8 group 255, 255, 255, and solution of this is the 128. So this is the subnet mask. Okay. So are you getting my point? How to calculate IP address? Because further we going the practical session, so definitely it will be required IP address and subnet mask. So without
Yes, sir.
IP address,
Got it, sir.
without IP address is not possible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more session we make tomorrow is not possible because tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan and the day after Monday. Okay. So just
Sir,
Monday.
Monday I have exam, NPTEL exam I have, sir. Morning and the afternoon.
You can give your time in the evening.
Okay, sir.
9
I'll
PM,
complete my exam at 5:30 or 6. How about it, sir?
4:30 to 5:30.
5:30, sir, because I should go to the center and I should write the exam.
It's okay. Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay, sir. Tuesday is okay.
Okay. Monday, take holiday, no problem. You can continue Tuesday onward. Okay. No
Okay, sir.
problem. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.